Hey guys, Zinan Gamer back with another video for my PC build of 2016, and the PC part which I am going to show you is my motherboard. It is ASRock's H110M. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. But but before we unbox, let's take a look on the box itself first. So taking the look at the box, it's really nice, good looking box. It is having all the specifications on the back of the box, but the main specifications which this box highlights is it is having three graphic outputs, and one of them being HDMI for 4K without even graphic card. I will talk about this feature later in the video, and other two being the normal DVI-D and DDub outputs. And so yeah, let's go ahead and open the box. And opening up the box, this is what you get inside it. You get one IO shield, two SATA cables, one CD for drivers, one installation guide, and nothing more than that. Yep. Now let's take a look at the motherboard itself, and taking out the motherboard, it is just awesome. It is really nice and stunning motherboard. It is having bit of orange accent, as you guys can see, like little bit of orange, which is okay for me, which is really fine. But overall this looks really good, really bad, as I would say. And yeah, I mean, let's take a look on the ports, all the ports which it is having. It is having a one port for the mouse slash keyboard. I don't know what's this port called though, but it's for the mouse and slash keyboard, like for the old mouse and keyboards. And right below it we are having two USB 3.0 ports, and right next to them we are having its three graphic outputs: DVI-D, DDub, and HDMI. HDMI, which I just mentioned about earlier in the video, it is for 4K, which means it can even support HDMI. I mean, it can even run HDMI monitors without even a graphic card, which usually the motherboards at this price range do not offer. Yep. And moving next to it, we are having four USB 2.0 ports, and right above those two USB 2.0 ports we are having one of its LAN connection for RJ45 jack with an LED indicator, and right next to it we are having its normal three audio jacks. Yep. Now taking a look at the motherboard, and actually moving on to the memory size, it is having dual channel 32 gigabyte of RAM with the speed of 2133 megahertz. Yep. And it is having, although I must say it is having only one PCIe slot, which for me is okay because I'm just going to use one graphic card, and it is having two USB 2.0 slot, I mean PCI 2.0 slots also. And the chipset which is ported by this motherboard is its Intel's H110 chipset, and it is having four SATA connections, which is more than enough. I mean, I'm just going to put my hard drive and might be SSD, but not sure about the SSD, and I don't need others like other SATA connections. And the specific reason which why I went with this motherboard rather than other motherboards for this price range was because it was porting the same USB onboard headers which I wanted for my case. Like if you have seen my last video, my case sports two USB 2.0 and one USB 3.0 header, and that's what exactly this motherboard offers me, as it is having onboard two USB 2.0 and one USB 3.0 header. That's really, I mean, that's exactly what I wanted. And the price actually, yep, moving on to the price, I got this motherboard about 5200 rupees, and actually 200 were for the shipping charges, so it, depending upon the area where you live, it just costs 5000 rupees only. And coming on to the fan headers, if you have seen my my cabinet video, I am having five fans for my for my cabinet, and the fan headers which this motherboard provides is only two, which means I have to directly connect my fans to the PSU. But it's okay because my case provides the fan speed controller option, so that would not at all be an issue, I hope. And yep guys, as you guys can see now, my PC build is almost there. I got my power supply unit, I got my case, now I got my motherboard, and I hope within next 2 to 3 weeks my PC will be ready and fully functional. I will post the video as soon as my PC parts arrive. And yeah guys, with that said, hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you later.